Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by creating an Apple ID and enabling iCloud for files and settings. Connect your MacBook to Wi-Fi and choose your preferred language and time zone. Enable File Vault disk encryption during setup to protect data at rest. Register Touch ID and set a strong password for secure logins on your device. Turn on automatic software updates and check battery health in system settings to maintain performance and security over time. Use the trackpad gestures to navigate efficiently. Learn the 3-finger swipe to switch desktops. Use a 4-finger pinch to open Mission Control and swipe between full-screen apps. Memorize Command-C for copy, Command-V for paste, and Command-Tab to switch applications quickly. Use Option Command Desk to force quit unresponsive apps when needed. Customize the dock and enable hot corners for fast access to screenshots, Launchpad, or sleep mode whenever you require them. Enable handoff and Bluetooth to continue tasks between iPhone and MacBook seamlessly. Set up AirDrop for instant file transfers and use iCloud Drive for synced documents across devices. Turn on iCloud Photos to keep pictures updated on all your devices automatically. Configure Time Machine backups to an external drive and verify backup frequency and storage limits. Review security and privacy settings and enable Find My Mac to locate or remote.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.